Shadows call my name, I've walked this road alone. A life of fire and blood, a heart turned into stone. But then I saw your glowing light, cutting through the dark. You lit a spark inside me, a flame that left its mark. I've got sins I can't outrun, a past that haunts my soul. But you're the only paradise I have ever known. I burn the world to ashes just to keep you safe. I'll fight the devil himself just to touch your sweet face. Forever in flames, I'll stand by your side. Through the storm and the fury, I'll be your guide. No chains can hold me, no war I won't face. You're the fire in my heart, my saving grace. Forever in flames, forever in flames. They say love's for the brave, but I was never that strong. Until you showed me fortitude where I once was wrong. You're the lioness I worship, fearless in the fight. You thawed my frozen heart and brought me back to life. I've got scars that tell my pain, a life I can't erase. But you are the only future I want to embrace. I tear the stars from heaven just to see you smile. I'll walk through hellfire just to hold you for a while. Forever in flames, I'll stand by your side. Through the storm and the fury, I'll be your guide. No chains can hold me, no war I won't face. You're the fire in my heart, my saving grace. Forever in flames, forever in flames. My saving grace. I swear on my life, not a hair will be harmed. You're the sole peace I've ever known, the only calm. I'll build a world for us where the darkness can't reach. You're the only always my soul will ever seek. I'll keep the dark at bay. Take my hand, my love, let's rise from the ashes tonight. We'll burn as one forever, I'll be your trusted knight. You are my saving grace, the blazing fire in my veins. For you I'm forever in flames, forever in flames, forever in flames. I'll stand by your side,